I fell. You busted that.
What'd I do?
You fell and you busted that.
What's these tweaks? On a second run. So we getting our boards waxed now.
What?
So we're getting our boards waxed.
Yes, sir.
So we can hit rails, pussy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Waiting for the guys to pull up.
I think it's funny as fuck. I was like, oh.
You ain't no drinking the drop what you say here, bro.
We jumping ski shit right now. What we doing, bro? Ski. What we doing, bro? I'm out here jumping your shit. What you gotta say for yourself? You could have been stranded out here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro.
Simp that shit, yo.
Shout out, Drill.
Crazy.
You guys hear the cords hitting in the back? Listen. You hear it, so you know we getting tires. Shit, tomorrow. Fuck it. Alright, so we're getting gas right now, and then we're gonna get some tires because I'm not riding like this. We got this one's bad, and this one's gone. So we're getting both tires done.
Everyone 16 and older is eligible.
Nismo, okay. Shit's clean. To the shop, scraping, cord showing, but best believe we gonna get there and get these tires on, man. We out here. Yeah, man, we got the campfire, man. We got the hood spot. Tell them what's up, man. North side. And how many times a day we about to get them changed?
It was like the third time today.
Oh, it's not. You can't. It's the first, but it's about to be the third coming up. Hold up, man. Hold up. So we're out here. We're about to get some snow drifting in. Y'all enjoyed this one. Kept it short for y'all in this video. Videos are usually like 8 minutes long, 7 minutes, but I kept it short. Hope you enjoyed. Just some drifting, change the tires, and all that. So we'll be back soon with some more content. I'm getting my headers done, my tune done soon. Also, the intakes are going in. So everything's gonna go pretty soon for the G. So just, y'all know what to do. Share this shit. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, man, we out.